Hello friends, welcome on video number 1. In this video, we are going to focus on how we can use star Createmark syntax. So see the screen. Star Createmark. This syntax saves the number of IDs in database. Generally, you can create two create marks in a single code. So it stores the data in the background of the database. So as it is star Createmark, you can use Createmark. Both commands are same. As your user convenient, you can use anyone. For better understanding, I will take a short example which will easily you will understand about star Createmark. Let's say if you want to review the number of component IDs which are available on display. So how you can do that? Let's see. Star Createmark component 1 display. So here instead of display you can use all command or retrieve command, save command, or you can get these types of details in a user manual also. So here my short agenda is to give you a brief introduction about syntax, so you can easily start uh, or your journey regarding learning of Hypermesh scripting. So after generate this line, if you hit enter in main console of Hypermesh, which is nothing but the space for scripting, uh, you will get an output that is 1 or 0. It means 1 is command is executed, 0 means not executed. So after that you can store this mark into the variable. So for that you can use set component IDs which are available on display. For that you have to use one more syntax, that is hn get mark component 1, and you can show on screen by using the command that is puts. Use $sign and use component ID. So after execution of these lines, you will find that whatever the number of IDs available on screen as output. So I tried to maintain the short as possible this video, so you will get an idea easily how you can use these types of syntax for your scripting. Thank you for your time.